Yo, Pantherslap here. How's everyone doing? Nothing more quantum than opening some packs. Let's dive in. It's going to be a little quick today because I've opened these two. We're going to go a little slower on the Commander Legends. We're going to start with the Ikoria. Let's check it out, see what we got. How's everyone doing? I'm loving making everybody content on the YouTube, so hope everybody's enjoying. Been farming on the Instagram. I'm up to 1,000 followers now, so that's wild. Oh, look at the struggle. Yeah, I might have to just massacre it. It's fine. I always mangle it anyway. Adranith Stinger. Imposing Vantasaur. Development. Raptor. Mutual Destruction. Fully Grown. Day Squad Marshal. Gorak. Sabretooth. Suffocating Fumes, Uncommon Call of the Death Dweller, some spooky looking rats or something. Ooh, a showcase art Archipelago. Very cool. I like the showcase art in this set. It's really, really nice. Some cool monsters. And Inditha Crystal, pretty cool, like artifact land type thing. Nice. And we've got a rare Bonder's Enclave. Looks like land cycling. Might be good, I'm not sure. Cool. And then a Scored Barons and a Companion Token. Kaldheim. Let's get it. Oh, do we have pull tab? Yeah, pull tab. Boom. I think I'm going to go from the back because it's a draft booster? Ah, no. You know what? Don't know. Boom. Snow-covered mountain. This is probably going to be the rare. An Emerstrom Predator. Really cool looking vampire dragon. Nice. Haven't pulled that before, so that's cool. Uncommon Path to the World Tree. Shepherd of the Cosmos. And an Arnie Slays the Troll. We get it every time we get it to chop up. Bound in Gold. And just, you know, your uncommons there. Commander Legends. Wow. I'm eventually going to be playing Commander, so hopefully I get some stuff in here that I can use. $20 card pack, so a little bigger. Runaway Together, Dragon Mantle, Ambush Viper, Briarblade Adept, Raise the Alarm, Workshop Assistant, Eye Blight Massacre, Armillary Sphere, Stone Fury, Scourging Bandar, Sky Diamond, nice! Cool. I'm not sure if that's good, but it looks like, you know, a diamond, it baits you, I don't know. Scholar of the Stars, Sky Whaler's Shot, Monstrous Onslaught for uncommon, a Shimmer Mirror, cool, Artifact Creature, uncommon, Kangi's Lieutenant, uncommon. We've got a rare Hull Breacher, Merfolk Pirate. Oh, we got another rare. I guess you get two rares. Gore Maldrak, Amphenologist. And another uncommon, Eye of the Storm. We've got a Hollow Ghastly Demise. Really cool looking. And we've got a copy token. I don't know if those are the best packs, guys, but they're going to be some random 3-pack sets that aren't going to be the best. But thanks for tuning in, and as always, more packs in the future.